We are back. We are back on the No Nonsense Trader channel, and I'm Dave. And today I'm going to share with you the custom project for New Zealand US dollar. 9 of them. Thumbs up for that. We're on my website on the blog where you can download the New Zealand US dollar projects, all 9 of them. You can read about them here. And you can scroll down to the bottom and download this from Dropbox. It's in a zip file. You have to unzip it, and then you can load it right into StrategyQuant. We're in StrategyQuant in the custom projects area, and here are all 9 of those custom projects. Remember, when you want to load them, you just put open existing project, and you can load it in here. Obviously, you're going to need that data. You're going to need New Zealand US dollar data. So how do you do that? You go into this button right here, and then you pick that New Zealand US dollar plus some other currency pairs like GBP USD and USD CHF, and you're going to download all those because these are the cross pairs that they're retested. Remember, you can pick your different broker profile right here from there. You can pick 1 minute data. You don't need tick data. So let's say you want to go FTMO. You click this button, press save, download your data, and then you can switch that in there and swap it out into the modify projects, modify symbols section right here. To do that, I've showed this in other videos, but let me just give you a little rundown. You just press copy, paste, and then paste again. And then if this is FTMO data, all you do is press FTMO like that, and boom, now you got FTMO data. You just press save after you do all of them. In this case, you don't have to put apply default settings because the settings are already good in there, so use them as is. If you like this stuff and you want to support the channel, you know what to do. Just press the like button. That's all I ask, and I will see you in the next one with some more custom projects. Maybe I'll start building for something else other than forex, maybe something on the NZDUSD or gold. I haven't decided yet, but I will put out those custom projects next, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.